Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very exciting to film for you. I got my very first friend mail. So I'm so excited. I was sitting at home here working on a YouTube video and my doorbell rang and I saw the postman circling my drive, but I didn't think anything of it because our mail usually gets delivered late. Let's see, what time is it? Yeah, it's like after 6 o'clock. So then he rang the doorbell, so I still didn't think anything unusual because I'm expecting a couple packages of things I ordered. They wouldn't have come through the post office, but I didn't think that through. And so I opened the door and the package was from my subscriber Melody in PA. So I'm so excited. I've already opened up the packaging tape, so I don't bore you with that part. And I'm gonna look in it right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is so awesome. I don't know if you guys saw the video, but I found Lincoln Logs for my grandkids and for me to play with. And this is like a box to put them in. So that's so awesome. And she's got something else inside here. So let's see what's inside. Pretty paper. Oh my gosh, this is a vintage Christmas card. It's a postcard. Oh. Okay, so it says A Joyous Christmas. Let me show you. Look how beautiful. The candelabra up top. And then you open it up and there's a wreath with bells inside. And then on the back, it actually has a name on it. And then it says, "Best wishes for a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year." And somebody signed it. Oh, how cool. I love that, and I will love decorating with that. I already have some ideas. Oh my gosh. She sent me a black light, and I apparently have some Vaseline glass. She was the one who pointed it out to me. I didn't even know. And you can check it with this light, and it will glow. So I'm excited to do that. We'll do that on video too, so you can see. I don't know what to get next. Let's see. I don't want to break anything. Oh, for your shot nurse, you can keep it for Easter. Oh my gosh, how adorable. Look, you guys, it's already bobbling. It's a solar dancing chick. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. So if you guys haven't seen these, there's a little solar panel on the front, and when it gets charged, they dance and bobble. So she will love that. She's a subscriber too. Ooh, Kenny G, Miracles, the Holiday Album. That sounds amazing. It's got Winter Wonderland, White Christmas, Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, Silent Night, Green Sleeves, Miracles, Little Drummer Boy, and so on. Oh, awesome. That's right up my alley. Let's see what this is. Wrapped in some more of this pretty paper. Oh my gosh, Thermos brand. Look at that, how cool. And it says 35 cents, so you know that's old. I have a lot of thermoses, so I have a thermos collection. Well, you guys know that. That's amazing. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, little angel cookie cutter. That can go on my shelf with my angels for Christmas. Ooh, I see something with a red truck on it. I don't want to break anything. There's a couple more items in here. Well, let's do this first. Let me show you before I open it. I'm not sure what's in it. My hubby's just coming home. I can hear him. Ooh, I have no idea what this is. I'll have to have Melody tell me. Hi, honey. I got my first friend mail.
I know.
How did you know?
Because I was asked about our zip code.
Oh. So he already knew about this. So I'll have to ask Melody. I've never seen this, what this is, but it says Pyrex. Is it heat spreader grid? Okay. So that is very cool. I'll have to find out exactly what it is and how you use it. And then I told you there's something in here with a red truck on. Boy, this is very well packed and very creative. Can't get it out. Might need your help, honey. You came home just in time. Can you help me? Oh, I think I got it. I got it. Okay. Aw, looky. It's a red truck. An adorable box. Feels like there's something in here too. More of that pretty paper. Aww. Oh, I love it. Looky. It says you can't be poor if you have a friend. Oh, that is so, so precious. That's me and Melody. I love it. Oh, and she signed the bottom. That is super cute. I love everything. And this was such a big surprise. Apparently not to my husband. He knew about it and kept the surprise. But thank you so much, Melody. And I enjoyed every single thing in it, and I will have to ask you about the Pyrex thing, about the history of it and what it is. And also, when I get my flashlight together, we will check my depression glass to see if it's gonna glow. So I'll show you that in a little bit. Okay, you guys, I got my, what's it called? Black light together. My husband put it together for me. And Melody had pointed out that she thought I had 3 dishes that were Vaseline glass. So we're gonna test them. So my hubby's gonna help me with the light. So this is the first one. Can you see the glow? It's kind of hard to pick up on. There you go. Okay, that one is. So we're 1 for 1. And then where's the little bowl? You want to hand me that one, honey? It's nice to have an assistant. Thank you. This is the next one. I'm not very good at this. Okay, this one is not. Okay. And then the last one that she suspected maybe was this one. Ah, this one is. We're 2 for 3. So how cool is that? That's awesome. Here's my angel shelf. I thought I'd show you where I'm gonna put my little angel cookie cutter. There we go. How cute is that? Wow, that was so much fun. Thanks for joining me today for my very first friend mail, and thank you, Melody, for sending it. It brought me so much joy and surprise, and it was such a great time. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll link that below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. It helps my channel grow. And if you know somebody who might like my videos, please feel free to share with them. And I love getting comments, so please leave comments below. What I'd love to know today is what your favorite item was from my friend mail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. And I opened the door and I had this package, and it's from one of my subscribers, and her name is Melody in PA, or Melody from PA. I don't know, but her name is Melody. Wow, that was so much fun. Thanks for joining me today. Wow, that was so much fun. Thanks for joining me today for my first friend mail. And I should have planned this better, huh?